Good afternoon. Welcome to our tech support center.
Hello, I have a small problem with a purchase I made yesterday.
My name is Emma, and I will do my best to help you.
It is a pleasure to meet you. I am Daniel.
Please place the item here on the counter so I can see it.
These are the noise-canceling headphones I bought for my long flights.
They are a very popular model, known for their excellent sound quality.
I was very excited to use them during my trip tomorrow.
What exactly seems to be the trouble with them?
The left side does not produce any sound at all.
That is definitely not the experience we want our customers to have.
I tried charging them for 3 hours, but nothing changed.
Did you try to connect them to a different device?
Yes, I tried my phone, my laptop, and even my tablet.
It sounds like a factory defect in the internal wiring.
I was worried that I might have done something wrong.
Don't worry, electronics can sometimes have these hidden issues.
I hope it is possible to get a refund or an exchange.
Our policy allows for a full return within 30 days.
That is a relief because I really need working headphones.
Do you happen to have the original packaging with you?
Yes, I kept everything, including the plastic wraps and cables.
That makes the return process much smoother for both of us.
I am always very careful with the boxes of my gadgets.
It shows. The box looks like it was never opened.
I only took them out once to test the audio quality.
I appreciate your honesty and the care you took.
Should I fill out any specific forms for the return?
Just a small digital signature once I verify the details.
I am ready to provide any information you need.
Let me take a closer look at the physical condition.
I checked for scratches, but the exterior is perfectly clean.
You are right, the leather on the ear cups is flawless.
The buttons on the right side seem to work perfectly fine.
The power light is glowing a steady blue, which is good.
But the silence in the left ear is very disappointing.
I see that the cable port is also free of any dust.
I only used the wireless Bluetooth connection during my test.
Sometimes the Bluetooth chip can fail on one specific channel.
Could it be a software glitch that a reset might fix?
I will try a hard reset after I check your purchase record.
I remember the salesperson told me these were the best.
They usually are. This is the first return of this model today.
I must have picked the only unlucky box on the shelf.
It happens to the best brands in the world occasionally.
Will the return go back to my credit card directly?
Yes, the system will process the transaction automatically.
How long does it usually take for the money to appear?
It depends on your bank, but usually between 3 to 5 days.
I might prefer an exchange if you have more in stock.
Let me check our inventory on the computer behind me.
If I get a new pair, I will test them right here.
That is a very smart idea to save you another trip.
I don't have much time before my flight departs tomorrow.
I understand the urgency of your situation, Daniel.
Thank you for being so patient with my many questions.
It is part of my job to make sure you are satisfied.
The store is very busy today, but you are very calm.
I find that staying calm helps to solve problems faster.
That is a great philosophy for any kind of service.
May I see your receipt or the digital confirmation?
Here is the paper receipt I got from the cashier yesterday.
Everything looks correct. It was purchased at 4 p.m.
I paid with my phone using the contactless terminal.
The transaction number matches our records in the database.
Do you need my ID card to confirm the identity?
Only if the amount is over $500.
These were $350, so we are fine.
Correct. I just need to scan this barcode one more time.
The scanner is making a very futuristic chirping sound.
It is our new system that connects directly to the warehouse.
Technology is amazing when it actually works as intended.
I agree. It makes my work much more efficient every day.
Can I see the warranty details on the screen?
Of course, you have a full 2-year international warranty.
That is good to know since I travel to Europe often.
You can get support in any of our stores worldwide.
That is a very convenient feature for a frequent traveler.
Our goal is to provide global peace of mind for users.
I appreciate that the store stands behind its products.
A good reputation is built on how we handle these issues.
I was afraid I would have to argue about the return.
We don't believe in arguments, we believe in solutions.
I will definitely tell my friends about this great service.
Word of mouth is the best advertisement we could have.
I am glad I chose this shop over the online retailer,
In-person support is something a website cannot offer.
especially when I need a replacement before my trip.
I am finishing the verification of your document.
Everything seems to be going very well so far.
I am going to put them on to verify the audio loss.
Please be careful. I cleaned them with a soft cloth.
Thank you. I will use a fresh sanitizing wipe as well.
I am playing a test track with a heavy bass line.
I can hear the music on the right. It is very clear.
And what about the left side of the headphones?
You are right. There is absolutely no signal on the left.
I am relieved that you can confirm the problem yourself.
I am checking the balance settings on the device too.
I already checked that. It was set to the center.
I am trying the wired connection with this gold cable.
Does the sound return when you use the physical wire?
No, it is still silent, which means the driver is dead.
That is a very technical term for a broken speaker.
Yes, the driver is the heart of the headphone system.
It is a shame because the design is so beautiful.
We will make sure your next pair is absolutely perfect.
Should I pick a different color for the replacement?
We have them in midnight black and silver gray.
I think I will stick with the midnight black version.
It is a classic choice that never goes out of style.
Does the new pair come with a fresh warranty period?
The warranty starts again from the date of the exchange.
That is even better than I expected to hear today.
We want to ensure you get the full value of your money.
I am very impressed with how thorough you are, Emma.
I want to be 100% sure before I mark them as defective.
I can see that you take your responsibilities seriously.
It is the only way to maintain high standards in tech.
I feel much more relaxed about my flight tomorrow.
I am entering the defect code into our global system.
Does the manufacturer look at these reports later?
Yes, they use this data to improve future production.
So my broken headphones are actually helping others.
In a way, you are contributing to better quality control.
I like the idea of being a part of the improvement.
Now I am authorizing the swap for a brand new unit.
Do I need to pay any extra fees for the service?
No, the exchange is completely free under the warranty.
The holographic screen you are using looks very cool.
It helps me see all the details without straining my eyes.
I wish I had a screen like that in my home office.
We might sell them in a few years as consumer products.
I will be the first person in line to buy one.
I am printing the new receipt and the exchange voucher.
I will keep this one in a very safe place this time.
I recommend taking a photo of it with your phone.
That is a great tip. I will do that immediately.
Paper can fade, but a digital copy lasts much longer.
I'm learning so many useful things from you today.
Helping people with tech is what I enjoy doing most.
I can see that you are very good at explaining things.
I am sending the request to the back warehouse.
Will someone bring the new box to the counter?
Yes, our assistant is already picking it up for you.
This whole process was much faster than I thought.
Efficiency is our priority when a customer has a trip.
I appreciate that you value my time so much.
Your flight is more important than a long wait here.
You are a true professional, Emma.
Here is your new factory-sealed box of headphones.
It even has the fresh smell of a new electronic device.
Let's open it together to make sure they are perfect.
I am turning them on and waiting for the light.
The blue light is blinking. They are ready to pair.
I am connecting them to my phone for a quick test.
I can see the smile on your face. That is a good sign.
Both sides are working perfectly. The sound is amazing.
The bass is very deep, and the highs are crystal clear.
I can't wait to sleep through the noise of the plane.
These will definitely help you have a very peaceful journey.
I will make sure to charge them fully tonight.
Remember to use the original cable for the best results.
I will keep all the advice you gave me in mind.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, you have already done more than enough for me.
It was a pleasure helping you with your return, Daniel.
Thank you for turning a bad situation into a good one.
That is what we are here for at the service desk.
I am walking out of the store as a very happy customer.
I am glad we could resolve everything so quickly.
Have a wonderful evening and a great week, Emma.
Safe travels on your flight tomorrow. Enjoy your trip.
I will think of this store when I put my headphones on.
We will be here if you ever need any more help.
I am waving goodbye as I head toward the exit.
I am waving back and preparing for the next client.
The sunset outside looks beautiful through the glass.
Another successful day of solving tech mysteries is over.
Goodbye, Emma, and thanks for the excellent service.